We are officially on our way to Osoyoos for the wedding. We have this amazing BMW SUV, which is packed to the max. It's insane. Look at this. And Andrew is driving. How are you feeling, Andrew?
I'm not driving. This car drives itself. It's so fast.
Yeah, we've been ruined.
It's ridiculous.
We've been ruined by this car.
Look, going over. Oh, it just corrected my lane drift.
We are in the 2018 BMW X3 M40i, which is an insanely nice SUV.
Insanely nice.
And I don't know what we would have done if we didn't get an SUV, because we just have so much stuff. We have way too much stuff. I don't know how that happens.
Into the resort. People have flown in from as far as England to help us celebrate with
Thanks, Evie.
There's rattlesnakes here.
Oh.
Or there's at least some snakes.
Okay. We made it! Yay! Good morning. Today's my wedding day. I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna go for a quick workout so that I feel really good, and then I'm gonna have breakfast, and then I'm gonna put some eye patches on under here to try and get rid of this. And then I'm gonna get ready with my bridesmaids in my room. Feeling good. A little bit nervous, mostly excited. I had a really good chill night with my sister, who's my maid of honor, and my cousin Sage, and we just like watched TV and finished anything that we needed to do. I'm a little bit tired, but I'm good. Okay, I'm ready. Here we go. I'm feeling very overwhelmed, but excited and nervous. We're gonna do the first look now. Okay, we did it. We're married.
We did it.
How do you feel?
I feel
What are
like
your thoughts and feelings?
my thoughts and feelings are that I had the best night of my entire life. And
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
it was crazy fun. Now I have the best wife ever. So far, the morning has been
That's true. A treat.
packing, mostly just packing cheat.
So we are back in the car. I was just thinking about giving this Beamer back, and I really don't want to.
Forget it.
And we're heading from Osoyoos up to Sparkling Hill Resort for kind of like a mini moon. We're just spending like 3 or 4 nights there, just to be married for a moment together. I'm really excited for it, actually. I'm so happy with how everything went and how much fun everybody had, and it was just amazing. I'm also quite tired, so it'll be nice to relax for a bit.
Yeah.
So, favorite moments? Do we have any favorite moments offhand?
So many. Friends using the decorative rosemary on the table to add to their meal.
Taylor.
Taylor Byron.
My sister's speech,
Oh
her
my
maid of honor
God.
speech was so good.
It was
Oh
so
my God.
good.
It was so funny and sweet, and
Yeah. just up and down every part of the night. The details, the people, the dancing was unbelievable.
Yeah, we really danced a lot.
The music, John Byrne was so good.
Our DJ was so good.
Oh, there's no shortage of unbelievable memories and great details.
You guys will be seeing a wedding video coming soon. Okay, we just walked into Sparkling Hills. This is our room. This is really, really nice.
You can find me in there
At all times.
24/7.
Congratulations on your special occasion. Oh, here's my, by the way, here's my wedding ring. Wedding band. These were both made at Studio 1098, which is in Toronto. Andrew and the owner, Tamara, designed the ring, and then she also did our wedding bands. And here's Andrew's. Isn't it gorgeous? It's brushed gold. Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna put this on, like, right.
And never take it off.
Right this second, and never take it off this whole time. We're having lunch. I'm having lunch with my husband. Holy shit. It is so beautiful here. I think we're gonna move to the Okanagan real fast.
Welcome home.
Okay, where are we going now?
We're doing a wine tour, so next is Dairy Queen. Seriously, I want a dip cone. Let's get our dip cone on.
I have never met anyone in my whole entire life who loves baths more than my husband does.
On the second one of the day.
Yeah, this is the second bath. Cheese and crackers, rosé, bath, and a book.
This view.
And this. So here's the quote-unquote Swarovski fireplace.
Don't get too close, it's pretty hot.
It's very hot. Ooh, just kidding, it's not. Hey, cutie. We both had a bath.
Yeah.
And we both had a nap.
Well, I had 2 baths, you had 2 naps, but...
Did I have 2 naps?
Yeah, you napped twice today.
When was my other nap?
It's all one big nap, but many intervals. The middle part was when you were lying and you were like, I are awake. I mean, am awake. That's when I was like, yep, you are definitely asleep.
I had a nap at like 12.
Yeah, noon.
Like just a few hours after we got up.
Yeah.
Anyways, now we're gonna watch Spider-Man. Pulling into 50th Parallel Winery. It is so beautiful. Looks so good.
Look how bright and vibrant this soup is.
You've been watching so much Food Network.
I love the Food Network. Okay, get in there.
Challenging, for sure. Oh, it's so good.
You can't even smile with this. So Andrew and I got up today at like 8:30. Went for breakfast, went for a steam and a sauna, did the like Scandinavian bath cycle thing, and then got a hot stone massage, and I kind of fell asleep at the end. And then we came back up and decided to actually have a nap. So we had a 20-minute nap, half an hour nap. Then we walked down to a restaurant. It's like half an hour away from the hotel. Had a nice lunch, walked back up, went for wine and like an afternoon dessert. Had another nap, not joking. Had a bath. Now I am sitting in my bathrobe in bed with a glass of wine and obviously this creepy mask on my face, and I'm gonna watch the Food Network and then we're gonna go for dinner. So basically it's the best day ever, like of all time, the best day of my life. I guess besides our wedding. I'm so happy right now. I'm such a grandma.
Are you napping?
No, I'm not napping again. Hi.
Hey, pals.
We are done.
Yep,
we are married, and we had our mini moon.
Yep.
At Sparkling Hill,
AKA an
Heaven on Earth
series of naps.
Yeah, we so many naps. And so we're just heading back to Vancouver. We're just driving back, and then we'll fly out to Toronto tomorrow. Yep. Oh my God, we're matching again.
Oh, shocker. I think I'm a big style icon for you.
Yeah, you are.
A big influence.
I had heard from people that leading up to the wedding, it was like, oh my God, this is so much work and so much money and so much stress. And then on the actual day, it all kind of disappears and you're like, I wouldn't have done it any other way. And I have to say that that's how I felt. Like when we actually got married and one of our best friends was our officiant, and that was so meaningful. And we had like 75 of our best friends and family there, and like that's probably the only time that we're gonna have all those people in one room, like celebrating us.
Totally.
And it was just so worth it. It was unbelievable. It was unbelievable.
Yeah,
it was, I know, I was like, whatever, the best day of your life isn't when you get married, like who cares? But it was the best day of our lives thus far, I think.
Oh yeah, it was unbelievable.
I have to say that having a wedding planner, and she's my friend, and it was really special to have her there, but even just having like a day of planner takes so much stress off, because if there's any issues, which there will be for sure, you don't have to deal with them. Like you're able to be hanging out with your friends and your bridesmaids and groomsmen and your fiance, husband, wife, whatever. That was really, really helpful. It just made us able to like eat and drink and dance with our friends and family, which was amazing. And if you're gonna get all those people together, you really want to enjoy their company. Bye bye, Beamer.
These are my tears.
I think we've actually influenced ourselves into wanting to buy this car.
Yeah, this has been the most successful marketing campaign on us.
Thank you so much for lending us this car to help us out with our wedding weekend. We actually could not have brought all this stuff without it.
Well, that's what I was saying.